Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use the zoom lens on Canon EOS R50V. So first, as you can see, I have my camera, but I will take off this so you can see everything. Okay, and now on the lens here, we have two circles, and this one, as you can see when you move it, the camera will zoom out and zoom in. You can also just slightly turn it to zoom slowly, and the same thing. Yes. So that's how the zoom lens here works. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.